is the best way to become competent. An agent should always refer a client to another professional if the licensee is not competent to protect the client in a specific situation. Attorneys, accountants,
Baccarat, Kingmaker,
surveyors,
Seminar
and
for Joe.
appraisers are just some of the specialists we rely on in the practice of our profession. Practicing with due diligence is a requirement of a competent agent. Due diligence is defined as
Baccarat, Kingmaker,
appraiser.
Seminar.
Should always refer a client to another professional if
Baccarat,
licensee is
Kingmaker,
competent to
Seminar
protect the client in a specific situation.
for Joe in New York.
Inspectors, surveyors, engineers, and appraisers are just some of the specialists we rely on in the practice of our profession. Practicing with due diligence is a requirement of a competent agent. Due diligence is defined as 1. A fair, proper, and due degree of care and activity. An expressed or implied requirement.
Congratulations, you won.
Stating that a person used good faith efforts to perform obligations under a contract. A buyer who makes an offer contingent on obtaining financing must use due diligence in seeking such financing too. A time period in which a buyer is given the opportunity to have experts inspect the property, examine the title, and review the leases to determine whether the property matches the buyer's needs. The due diligence period usually begins after the contract has been signed and acceptance communicated. If the buyer finds objectionable conditions,
Congratulations, you won.
has the right to withdraw from the purchase prior to expiration of the due diligence period. Unlawful.
Congratulations, you won again. Congratulations, you won again.
Unlawful practice of law. Licensees are specifically prohibited from practicing law without a law license. Examples of this behavior would include giving legal interpretations of documents involved in the transaction, preparing legal documents, such as wills, contracts, deeds, or deeds of trust, advising a client on how to take title, and discouraging clients from seeking the advice of an attorney in negotiations which involve special terms and conditions. If a client wishes to add terms, conditions, or
Congratulations, you won again.
if a client wishes to add terms, conditions, or contingencies to a contract, always recommend they talk to an attorney to prepare the correct wording. If a client insists on using his or her own wording or contract form, as long as what they want is legal, you must obey your client. Contract form, as long as what they want is
Congratulations, you won.
When advising a client to see an attorney, it should be done before a client signs anything he/she does not understand. Privacy and do not contact. Cold calling or telemarketing has long been used in real estate to obtain new listings or clients. A licensee who wishes to telemarket must comply with the Federal Do Not Call Registry, which is administered by the FTC Federal Trade Commission. Consumer privacy for emails falls under the Kensington Act.
Congratulations, you won.
Estate services. The top line of the email must say, solicitation for real estate business, and the body of the email must contain an opt-out choice. Choppy. With the increased use of social media in real estate, it is important for agents to remember that protecting the privacy of clients is their responsibility. A licensee needs written permission from a client to advertise client property on social media. All laws that apply to print and broadcast advertising also apply on social media. Brokerage agreements between the broker and principal. Listing agreements. The purpose of
Congratulations, you won again.
market and find a buyer. Requirements of a valid listing include listing brokerage agreements between the broker and principal. Listing agreements. The purpose of the listing is to place a seller's property on the market and find a buyer. Requirements of a valid listing include signatures of all the owners and the listing licensee. Legal description of the property.
Okay, since you are more than double your principal, so you should take profit and be happy, go home.
Definite starting and termination date. Broker compensation. There are 4 types of listing agreements.
Amazing, powerful skill. More than double your principal. Over $10,000, $10 profit. Over $10,000, $10 profit.
1. Exclusive right to
20010.25. Big profit.
This type of listing eliminates most procuring costs.
Huge reward.
This is the type of listing a broker wants. The
Joe
broker will be entitled
in New
to
York,
commission
I hope
no
you
matter
learn
who sells
a
the
lot
property.
from us.
Therefore, if the seller
Hallelujah.
sells his own property and owes a commission on the sale, the seller had
Praise the
properly
Lord.
an exclusive right to sell listing